we have KULR, and everyone wants to show KULR love when they're doing well. But I have to say, we're going to talk about them when they're down, because this was their earnings shoot. They showed what they can do, people. And I think their earnings, it was their first quarterly profit of 0.22 per share, up 63%, approximately 4 million. I think, and their Bitcoins, they have 1,035 Bitcoins, valued at 120 million as of August 11th. So that's definitely something they're doing, but people didn't really like that. But I think what they really do is their technology, and I think they're showing things being utilized for the helicopter operations. This one's a little secretive. Reducing vibration to near zero, offering cost-saving operational efficiency, ongoing trials with the U.S. Army, and successful Camp Pendleton highlight DoD engagement. And this, the private space company, is SpaceX, but a prominent space. This one's saying they acquired it for their spaceflight programs, reinforcing the role as NASA's Artemis 2 mission. The M35 cells are also being integrated in the 400-watt K1. So that, it's worded, this SpaceX will carry KULR's ONE battery on a rideshare mission, making it the first commercial off-shelf lithium-ion battery designed to meet NASA's strict safety standards. They did get that a few months ago. They got the safety certification for the NASA and the DoD stuff, which I knew that was a big deal. And then other things. This is another promising one. They're not just the batteries, but the batteries is getting really big, I think, because this collaboration to distribute cooling solutions for an AI infrastructure in Taiwan. So this is for EDAM, but EDAM is in that NVIDIA partnership. And if this is all working, I think that they could get some Stargate money. Partnership for joint battery pack thermal runaway protection and integrated battery systems. That one, advanced synthetic organic electro. They also $1 million deal for nuclear reactor applications, focusing on safety and efficiency. Getting into nuclear technology, that could definitely be something that's needed. SpaceX, paying. KULR is paying. This one, wait. So then this is what that one is saying, and they don't say what this one is, because they say it down there. So that, they do have some secrets here, that is for sure. But this drone one, okay? Oh wait, this is the other one. This is one from 2 days ago when they partnered with Amprius Molicel to launch the KULR ONE Air. And AMPX, that's a battery company. One of the trending ones that people talk about. You have like ABAP, AMPX, the other one, NVEN something. I don't know. I forgot that one. But anyways, initial sample shipments began in 2025 July, with volume production scheduled for Q4 2025. KULR will offer both standard off-the-shelf K1A systems for rapid deployment and customizable configurations to meet specific OEM requirements. This, I think, is exciting. And there's more articles on this. There's a lot. Oh wait, they're going to be talking about it now. So for the UAV UAM applications offering premium performance with compact lightweight design, they're going to be at an event. This article just came out yesterday. This will be in Las Vegas, September 2nd to September 4th. That, they have a $5 rating, but they're going to start, if they start being profitable, that and the Bitcoin stuff. Now the Bitcoin stuff they also have, but wait, more on this partnership brings unmanned aircraft battery systems to market. KULR down today. I'm buying. I think they are. I have my stake, and I had sold off some, and then I've been kind of waiting to add more. And I think KULR is proving themselves that their battery stuff, maybe we'll see what they get some sales. But this is a big deal, this partnership here. Amprius is known for silicon anode cells with sky-high energy density, while Molicel specializes in high-power cells that hold up enough under tough conditions. KULR, for its part, has a long track record in aerospace and defense, including working with NASA, and bringing its expertise in thermal management and safety to the mix. The result is a battery designed to check all boxes. Thanks to Amprius, lightweight, high cell. Drones are the future. And if this, okay, and then their other thing, that's also the future, one could say, is the Bitcoin stuff. And this was a couple weeks ago, July 9th. They're going to have successfully deployed 3,570 Bitmain Bitcoin mining machines in Paraguay, increasing its operational capacity to 750 petahash. This move reflects the company's dual strategy of mining Bitcoin and purchasing, allowing the more efficient accumulation of Bitcoin. So they're basically mining their own Bitcoin in Paraguay, which I don't know. I think, and they expand partnership with the U.S. exchange-listed company through a leasing agreement. I wonder if it's Hive, because Hive also expanded in Paraguay, kind of randomly, right around the same time that KULR made this announcement. So I find that to be interesting, but either way, KULR, Q4, that could really start to see some things for them if this drone battery starts getting picked up. And the other part, when they have their split, and people obviously didn't like it, but now they're also starting to get investors from bigger institutions. So this, also exciting. You've always had some big eyes in them. But we do acquired, that's a lot, 240,000, I don't know, maybe. Investors hold 21% of KULR. Opened at 525, but I think KULR, Michael Mo money. I do believe he's gonna do it again. I feel like they could get up there easily again. I don't know when, but this is not investment advice.